Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to see sensitive content on Instagram. This method works when you are browsing your feed, but also when you are checking your reels. So let's back to our feed. Now, on the right bottom corner, you can see the icon of your profile. Let's click it. When you are on your profile, on the top right corner, there are those three bars. Let's tap it and the menu shows up. On the very top, we have settings and privacy. Now tap this and this menu shows up. When we scroll down, you can see suggested content. Let's go in, and now the second option, sensitive content. Let's tap it. Sometimes at this moment the window will show up. Just click continue. Now you can see we have three options: less, standard and more. When we have less, then we don't see sensitive content on Instagram. When we click standard and now confirm, we will see more sensitive content on Instagram, on your feed and also in Reels. If we want to see all the sensitive content on Instagram, let's click more and confirm. Now, when we come back to our feed and we are browsing, we will see more sensitive content on your feed and also in Reels. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.